If your dashcam won't save recordings, resets the date, and shuts off instantly, don't replace it. This is a common issue after a few years of use, a dead internal battery, and I'll show you how to fix it for just a few dollars. We start by removing the dashcam from its mount. The dashcam casing is held together by 6 screws, and using a Phillips screwdriver, remove all 6 in any order, including one hidden under the sticker. And don't forget to remove the memory card to prevent it from popping out. Slowly peel off the other end of the specs sticker to reveal the last screw. Once the screws are out, gently separate the casing. It may feel tight, but it will come apart. Using a flat screwdriver, pry out to split the casing. Slowly work your way around the casing, especially on all the internal clips located near the screw points. Gently open and watch out for falling parts if any. Inside, you'll see the main PCB and the LCD screen. As shown, this is the location of the battery, and to reach it, we need to remove everything from the top. Accessing the battery, first, carefully lift up the LCD screen. Remove the 4 screws of the base plate using a Phillips screwdriver. Then remove the base plate, and then remove the one last screw for the PCB. Carefully lift the PCB, releasing it from the plastic clips. Watch out for the ribbon cables connected to the screen and the camera module. Before lifting the board fully, disconnect the battery's 3-pin connector from the PCB. Removing the old battery. The battery is glued to the casing. Gently pry it loose with a flat screwdriver or a prying tool, and then remove battery. Be very careful not to puncture it. As we all know, it can cause short circuit or worse, fire. Well, I was just exaggerating. If the battery looks swollen or bloated, that confirms it has failed and must be replaced. Here is a comparison with the new battery for reference. Here are the specifications for the battery replacement. 552535 with 430 mAh and 3.7 volts. Now in my case, the size was correct, but the connector wasn't. That's what can happen when you order a cheap alternative OEM battery. For $5? Who am I to complain? But don't worry, this is fixable. What I did was to cut and swap the connector, reusing the original one from the old battery. Just make sure you connect the red to red positive and black to black negative. Apply the adhesive to the battery. The other side should serve as an insulation. The white wire is for the battery temperature monitoring. If your replacement battery only has 2 wires, the dashcam will still work. Just leave the white wire unused. That said, the best option is still to use the correct original 3-pin battery. And then install the battery in this orientation. Press firmly for proper adhesion. Reconnect the 3-pin connector on the PCB and make sure it clicks firmly into place. And if you're liking this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. Reinstall the PCB, aligning everything carefully. Be sure it locks to the case and hear the clicks. Tighten the PCB screw. Install the LCD base plate with the 4 screws. Then fit the LCD. Don't forget the clicks. Align and move the camera, then install the other half of the casing. Press around all sides to lock the internal clips. Put all screws back in place, tightening them just snug. Do not over-tighten. Normally, you should power on the dashcam before fully sealing the case to confirm the battery replacement was successful. I may have forgotten to do that part in this video, but don't worry, it powered up perfectly and works just fine. With the battery installed, the dashcam now charges automatically and stays on after the car is turned off, allowing to save the last recording before shutting down. This simple battery replacement costs around $5 and can extend the life of your dashcam by several more years, saving you from buying a new unit. If this video helped, consider liking and subscribing for more DIY repair and tech fixes. Please do check out my other tutorial videos. Keeping the 10 to 30 second auto shut off enabled is critical in case of power is lost during an accident. Drive safe, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.